Everybody here had
Okay, so she's just asking what the difference between filming something like Lord of the Rings, which is on a much larger scale and for a longer period of time, and then shooting something like Wilfred, which is a shorter schedule, and it's on television. And then also you mentioned everything's illuminated too. And the kind of differences between the structure of those films and the processes. Well, the length of time has a lot to do with it, I suppose. But there's also there's a few things I can talk about. One of them would be budgetary differences. An independent film versus a larger budgeted film presents a really different atmosphere. Lord of the Rings isn't the best example to use as a big budget film, only because the experience felt so intimate and so small, and we were so tight, and everyone was working there was a lot of creative ingenuity and kind of people wore multiple hats, which is far more indicative of independent film. But the easy way to tell you the difference is, on a larger budgeted film, there happens to be more money, so there's more time, and there are more resources to solve problems. On a smaller budgeted film, there's far less time, there's no money, and you have to be really creative to solve problems. And the biggest difference is that, I always say that working on an independent film it's like the great equalizer. No one's there for a paycheck. Everyone's there because they really believe in the project. Everyone. Because it doesn't pay as much. And that goes right down the line. And I love that about it. I find it exhilarating because it means that everyone that's there on set every day is there because they truly believe in the film, and they want to make the best film that they possibly can. So there's this great kind of coming together and teamwork of everyone. The crew tends to be a little bit smaller as well, so that creates more of an intimate atmosphere. But I love that spirit, and that's what I love most about working on an independent film. TV, we happen to be kind of the independent division of FX. Our budget's pretty small. So it's a lot of run and gun. It's really fast. TV just, and this is my first experience with it, so I can't speak to other television, but television tends to be a lot faster. We're churning out an episode every 4 days. And that's pretty fast. We're doing like 6 to 8 pages a day, somewhere between like 25 and 30 setups a day. It's a lot. And there's a real intense pace to it, but I also love that too. There's no downtime. It's just, you're kind of in it the whole time, and it kind of keeps you on your toes. So I enjoy that. Did that answer your question?
It did, thank you.
Okay.
Ben.
Estamos metidos nesse